Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the top and bottom loudspeakers on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4-inch 2020 models. Check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and remove the LCD screen from the front. Proper heating is essential to separate the screen from the tablet. We use a heating pad designed for tablets. Make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer around the edges. Please note that some devices may require extra heating to separate the screen. Once the heating is completed, place a suction cup on the edge of the screen and gently lift to create a gap. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker into the gap. Then carefully work around the frame to cut through the adhesive. This process takes time. Be patient and always use the tip of the tool to cut through the adhesive. Next, carefully lift and flip the screen, allowing it to rest on the body. Next, take out the bracket by undoing the screw. And then disconnect the battery connector. Next, undo two screws to remove the LCD connector bracket. Next, disconnect the LCD connector plug. And now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, take out the not working speakers from the body. First, remove the faulty bottom speaker with the cover by undoing 19 screws. Next, remove the faulty top speaker with the cover by undoing 13 screws. Next, place and secure the new bottom speaker with the cover by adding 19 screws. Next, place and secure the new top speaker with the cover by adding 13 screws. Next, connect the LCD plug and then the battery connector plug. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the LCD bracket by adding 2 screws and the battery bracket by adding 1 screw. Next, before installing the LCD screen, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided LCD adhesive. Next, begin securing the screen to the frame. Gently slide the screen in from the bottom towards the top. Then apply light pressure along the edges to ensure it is properly seated. Finally, we are adding bonding clips to fasten the LCD screen. Leave it for some time and remove it. If not, you can use some rubber bands for this process. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe.